All around the globe, there are hundreds of thousands of different plant species, but there is one plant which stands above the rest in terms of usefulness and speed of growth. That plant is bamboo. In a time when global warming, depletion of resources, desertification and deforestation threaten the balance of delicate natural world, Khadi and Village Industry Commission, along with Border Security Force, have launched first of its kind exercise in India, a project named Bamboo Oasis on Lands in Drought. The unique scientific exercise serves the combined national objective of reducing desertification and providing livelihood to farmers across India. The first of its kind exercise in India started with the tribal village of Nichla Mandwa in Udaipur, Rajasthan, with plantation of 5,000 saplings of special bamboo species specially brought from Assam. With this, KVIC has thus created a world record of planting the highest number of bamboo saplings on a single day at one location. Aligned with PM Modi's call for reducing land degradation and preventing desertification in the country, Project Bold seeks to create bamboo-based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zones across India. The initiative has been launched as the part of KVIC's Khadi Bamboo Festival to commemorate 75 years of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The commission is also set to replicate the project at village Dholera in Ahmedabad district in Gujarat and Leh Ladakh region by August this year. Further, KVIC along with Border Security Force earlier last week planted 1,000 saplings at Tonad village, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Interestingly, bamboo can be used for agarbatti sticks, furniture, handicrafts, musical instrument and paper pulp, while bamboo waste is widely used in making charcoal and fuel. Bamboos are also known for conserving water and hence useful in arid and drought-prone regions. In India, bamboo covers 13.96 million hectares of land with 136 species. Moreover, bamboo can be used to control pollution by making use of bamboo charcoal, which has absorption properties. With the Bold project in full swing in the next 3 years, these bamboo plants will multiply and produce at least 4 times, weighing about 100 metric ton of bamboo. The produce will income fine income, thus supporting the local economy of the nation. Thank you.